Hello lovelies, welcome to the channel, and here's Patricia from themakeup.org. If you don't know our website, it's about beauty reviews, makeup reviews, and talk. We're gonna be talking, and today it's one of those videos that I want to share the secrets with you, and I'm gonna be talking about this Lino Alpha from Alfaparf Diamond Illuminating Essential Oil. And this is actually the way I use it is actually when I go to the when I do my when I hydrate my hair or apply a mask on my hair, it's a treatment that I like to put inside, and then I just mix it and then use in my hair and leave it for 5 minutes or so, 5-6 minutes, and then rinse it out. And it's amazing. It's amazing for shine. It's good for the texture of the hair. I really like the texture of the hair when I use this one, and it's something that I was really glad to find. So this is one very quick tip, so hair tip for you. We're gonna be having more videos like these. Make sure to check out the playlist I'm gonna be putting on the description, so you can have lots. I can share with you lots of findings, lots of things that I tested and that was good, and that really made the difference on my hair, so I can share with you and you guys can have the same results as well. So, and I would like to ask you as well to use the comments below to share with you if you have ever used this. If not, if there is a product that it's your most go product at the moment, that's the product that you love at the moment, so we all can have it and try it and see if we have the same results. And that's it. And I hope you enjoyed this quick review that's very flashy, very quick, straight to the point, and I'm bringing more findings for you, tips for hair shining and wonder, or whatever you want to call it. See you next video. Bye guys, love you.